So we take this very nice gear wrench setup, which comes in this it's part of this kit right here. I think you can buy the wrench separately, but it's almost as much money to buy the wrench by itself as it is just to buy the whole kit. And this makes it tolerable to do these coil pack bolts. You can get them in there, get this tool in there, get the wrench on there, get it loose, and if you've removed the battery tray, which you really do have to remove the battery tray. I've seen guys on here that say you don't. It absolutely misses taking off that front coil pack, the one towards the bumper, the leading one, by a couple of millimeters. That will make you crazy. You can probably finagle it, but you can't get your hand down in there, and it's very difficult to do it. It took me about 10 minutes at most to remove the battery. Just not worth the headache and leaning over the car and back aches and all that kind of stuff. So even then, this is not the easiest to get out because there's no room to get your fingers in there. So I may have to stop recording here